Title: This $500 million yacht proves how billionaires think. Imagine a yacht worth $500 million and the lesson it teaches about success. Luxury isn't just about spending money, it's about thinking diff. Luxury yachts, not just toys. Some yachts come with helipads, submarines, cinemas and swimming pools. Prices can exceed $500 million. For billionaires, yachts aren't just luxury, they're symbols of vision, patience and strategic thinking. 2 private islands, ultimate privacy. Many yachts anchor at private islands owned by the billionaires themselves. Owning an island is about freedom and exclusivity, not status alone. 3. Art and luxury interiors. Billionaires decorate yachts with priceless art and rare furnishings. 4. Lessons from the wealthy mindset. Luxury is a reflection of strategy, not just spending. Billionaires invest in things that give them time, security, influence, and opportunities. You can apply this by investing in knowledge, skills, and assets, not just material goods. Luxury teaches a mindset. Focus on what creates value, not what impresses others. Are you building wealth in a way that lasts? Think like a billionaire, not a spender.